Hello. This circle geometry question looks quite challenging, but I'm going to make it simple for you to understand. Now, if you look at it, the first thing I want to look at is this triangle here. Triangle BCD. Triangle BCD. Now, in this triangle, you can see that this line CD is extended outward. One of the line of the triangle, this line CD, is extended outward to give this exterior angle. So this becomes the exterior angle of triangle BCD. And there's a theorem that states that the exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the two opposite interior angles. The exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the two opposite interior angles. So that tells us that for us to get this angle, we add these two opposite interior angles. But we don't know the value of x, so we are simply going to write it as x plus 50. That is the sum of these two angles, giving us this exterior angle. Okay, then now let's move on to this quadrilateral ABDE. So if you look at this quadrilateral ABDE, you are going to see that there's an exterior angle of this quadrilateral. Now, this angle at point E and the angle at point B, they are the opposite angle of a cyclic quadrilateral. Then this line AB is extended outward. So again, we'll be looking at an exterior angle of the cyclic quadrilateral. So with respect to these two angles here, this angle X is the exterior angle now, because it is exterior to this other angle B here. So the theorem for a cyclic quadrilateral states that the exterior angle of a cyclic quadrilateral is equal to the opposite interior angle. Take note of that the exterior angle of a cyclic quadrilateral is equal to the opposite interior angle. So if this exterior angle is x, then the opposite interior angle of the cyclic quadrilateral is also x. So from there, we can now move on to triangle EFD. Can you see this last triangle, EFD? Now let's add the three angles of the triangle. So I have this angle X. Let me write it down, X plus, I have this second angle X plus 50. That is X plus 50. X plus 50. And then I have the third angle 40 degree. This is the third angle for the triangle, 40 degree. And everything should be equal to the sum of the angles in a triangle. The sum of the angles in a triangle is equal to 180. We all know that. So from there, I can say x plus s, which is 2x, and then 50 plus 40, and that will give us 90. And everything is equal to the 180 that I have on this side. So if I leave 2x on this side, I'm going to have 180 minus this 90 coming to this side becomes minus 90. So that will give us 2x is equal to 180 minus 90 is equal to 90 degrees. So to get the value of x, we can now divide both sides by 2 and divide this side by 2. So that these two will cancel 2 and I'm left with angle x that I'm looking for. So 2 cancel 2, I'm left with x on this side, and that will be equal to 90 divided by 2 will give me 45. So the value of angle x is 45 degrees, and that's the final answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, share, and join for more videos. Thank you for watching.